Feeding time at the zoo. Here. Sparkle, Glimmer, Comet, Serena, Falcon, Aster, Luna, and Harley. Look at the color difference. Little pissers, aren't you? Yeah. Getting them all weaned off of Mama. Said there's Sparkle and Glimmer. Two little girls. She must have had enough. There's Falcon being silly over there. Glimmer. Comet. Serena. She's so cute. And there's Aster. And Luna. And Harley. I don't know where all the white came from, but they sure are cute. Hi, Aster. You pretty boy. You sticking your tongue over here. Aw, there's some hungry babies. And messy. Now I get to clean the pen and wipe down puppies. Yep. Just thought I'd post it so you guys can see them all. They're running around like crazy nowadays. My little Serena. My baby. Falcon. Oh, and they got teeth now too, so